Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? I'm Tash. We love to have fun on this channel and spread nothing but positivity and have a great time playing with, what else? Makeup. So, if you will hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so that you are notified each time I upload, which is 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And you guys can already tell by the title what this video is about, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into some makeup. Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Tash. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, you guys, I have a, don't mind my dirty floor, first of all, I have for you a video on a drawstring makeup bag that was sent to me by a company called All For Hobbies. So, just going to show you guys what it is. It's kind of cool, actually, in my opinion. I had to get down here on the floor to try to show it to you guys because it just seemed like the most logical thing to do. So it comes wrapped up like this. You can actually store it wrapped up like so. And all you do is undo it and unfold it. You got your 2 drawstrings here on each side. Hopefully you guys can see this. And then it opens up into like a, let me try to pick the camera up. It opens up into like a big kind of storage area for you. So I'm going to set this back down so that I can stuff it. Hopefully you guys can see everything. Because that was the problem that I had the first time I tried to film this. So I'm just going to put like a bunch of stuff in here that I would take like if I was going out of town for makeup. So we have a makeup palette, another palette. So you guys can see. I will pick the camera up and show you after I stuff this bag. So the coolest thing about this to me is that when you open your bag up, nothing has moved. Like everything is exactly as you left it in the bag. Also, I wanted to point out, sorry you guys. Also, I wanted to point out that you do have a zippered compartment here. Now these are very shallow. So you could maybe fit like some Q-tips in here. It's not very deep, if you guys can see that. I think you might be able to fit like a concealer, maybe a lipstick. Yeah, see, you're only going to be able to fit like 1 concealer. So what I would use these for personally is like Q-tips, and that's probably about it. It's probably all that's going to fit in there. Don't mind the swatches on my hand. I just got done filming another video. It's one of those days. Alright, so I'm going to put you guys back on the tripod and go ahead and commence to stuffing this bad boy. Hopefully you guys will be able to see everything. My tripod is not wanting to act right. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, bag is stuffed and ready to rock and roll. So what I've done is put like a full face of makeup in here, maybe a little bit more. Okay, I probably could have stuffed it a little bit fuller, but I kind of need to get this video out. It should have been out a couple weeks ago. So you guys get the gist. And then, of course, I don't want to overstuff it because I don't want it to look like really shady. So, let me put you guys back down. Sorry, you guys are all over the place. I think that's like the best angle though. So on each side of this bag, you have these drawstrings here with these little pull tabs. And what you're gonna do, let me adjust the camera again, is pull on each side. Okay, you're gonna pull on each side, you guys, and this is what your bag is going to look like. Now, in order to keep it in that position right here, you're gonna snap the bag closed like so on the Velcro snap. Okay, and you're gonna take these pull tabs and you're gonna take them probably down all the way to the bag. In my opinion, that's what I would do so that it stays closed. All right, and then now you do have these strings hanging out about this much. Personally, I would probably just take these strings, and there's a little pocket here in the front, and you can just stuff your strings in there unless you want to use them to carry it like a backpack. But I am going to pick this bag up and I'm going to toss it around a little bit you know, just in case maybe it was in the back of a car being tossed around on a bumpy road, or you guys are carrying it around. You know, maybe your kids are playing with it and don't realize your makeup's in there. Shame, shame, shame. I'm gonna show you guys that. Yeah. So there it is, all packed up and ready to go. Here's what it looks like. We're gonna take it. I'm tossing it around. You guys can hear that. All right. So she's been pretty tossed up, shooken a little bit. You're gonna unsnap it. You can pull your strings out, and in order to open it, you're gonna take these little pulls tabs right here and pull them all the way down. Pull that one all the way down. And when you open your bag, all of your supplies are just as I said they would be. So the other cool thing about this, in my opinion, now I'm somebody who is quite clumsy, especially when it comes to makeup and such and whatnot. And so, yeah, if I travel anywhere, I'm going to put this bag down. I'm going to open it completely and lay it as flat as I can. And you can just kind of set up shop right here, set your supplies up, get ready, wipe this out because it's like a vinyl material. It's very easy to keep clean. And then, yeah, you're ready to go. So that's what I like about it. The other thing that I like about it is, like I said, it's like this really thick vinyl. It's very easy to keep clean. They're also affordable. And the cool thing is, you guys, now I picked mine out in black just because I am so messy and I love black for like cosmetic bags and whatnot. But these actually come in several different colors. I want to say it's like 6 or 7. And I will link the information down below for you guys. Now, the company that sells this product is called All for Hobbies. Don't mind my old bunny rabbit slipper. Yeah, so they're called All for Hobbies, and they're the company that reached out to me. And all they said was, hey, we have this makeup bag. Would you like to review it on your YouTube channel? And I was like, yeah, sure. Can I say whatever I want? And of course, they said yes. You guys know that I will only work with companies that allow me to be myself 100%. If I don't like it, I'm going to tell you I don't like it. If I like it, I'm going to tell you, girl, you need this in your life. Now, first and foremost, do I feel like you need this in your life? If you're someone that travels a lot, I think that it might be something that's good for you if you travel a lot. A lot. Now, if you don't, if you're somebody that's just clumsy and, you know, you stay over at your boyfriend's house a lot or whatever, this might be something good for you because you can just open up shop at your boyfriend's house on top of this, set all your stuff up, do your makeup, girl, keep your mess to yourself. Don't have your man tripping. But honestly, you guys, it's not an absolute must-have. I just thought it was cute. I like the concept. And it really just makes traveling with your makeup, like, easier because it takes this big bulky thing of makeup and it transforms it down into this little tiny, you know, traveling thing, and it saves on room and everything. So those are just my thoughts, you guys. Like I said, do I think it's an absolute must-have in your life? No, you're not gonna lose your mind if you don't have it, but I do like the concept, and you know, the price is right, and it's really a neat product to have. I'm definitely gonna get use out of mine this summer when Nick and I go camping. Yes, y'all, I'm gonna wear makeup when we go camping because that is just me. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section. I'd be very, very, very happy to answer those for you, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Bye, guys.